it's Mrs. Goddard from the Middle Country Public Library, and I'm going to be demonstrating to you some of the items that you're going to find in your take and make for do-it-yourself bird feeder craft. It's a craft to celebrate Earth Day. So in your take and make, you're going to find several items that will help you complete this program. You will find some parchment paper, 2 cookie cutters, 2 packets of gelatin, a bag of birdseed. This is about 2 cups. A spoon, a craft stick, and 2 pieces of string. Also in the bag, you're going to find detailed instructions on how to complete this program. It also tells you that from home, you will need 2 cups of water, a large bowl, a baking sheet, and something to stir with. Also in these instructions, you're going to find listed several times that this program involves the use of boiling water, so it must be done under the supervision of a parent or guardian. So this is a program designed to be used as a family. And again, because it requires boiling water, it's to be only done under the supervision of a parent or guardian, and it is stated several times in the detailed instructions that you will find, and you will see step by step how to make a do-it-yourself bird feeder. I've also included another set of instructions that have some great visuals that will help you. These use heart-shaped cookie cutters. Depending on what's in your bag, you may have circles, squares, hearts, stars. Every bag is different. So I hope you enjoy making this together as a family and that it attracts some beautiful birds to your backyard in honor of Earth Day. Enjoy!